If you are between the ages of 18 and 26 and you are female, then I have this opportunity in Germany for you, that is AU Pair or Au Pair. Now, this is a program that allows German citizens to hire or to host a female citizen from non-EU country to host them or to come and take care of their children for them in Germany. And through this program, you can also take some educational courses at the end of it, and through that, you can get your residency in Germany after you have completed either your 9 months, it can be 12 months or 24 months program with your host family. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step procedure on how to complete your application to the final stage of you getting into Germany as non-EU citizen through the AU pair route. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to Pathway to Abroad. Here we do videos on how you can move to your dream country either through job, school, visa, sponsorship, through this program, which is the AU, which is one of the best ways that you can use if you are a female between the ages of 18 and 26. So without wasting your time, let me show you the steps by step procedure that you can use to get into Germany through the AU pair. So the first one is to find a host family at the aupair.com. First one, you have to go to the website, which I will leave it in this video description. So register and create a profile at our website. So first of all is to go to the website, register, then you need to create your profile. After that, start looking for family with the help of our search tool and check recommendations. So after you create your profile, you don't have to just create your profile and just wait there. Just start looking for families. Two is your passport. You need to make sure you need to make sure that your passport is valid for your whole stay in Germany. So if you are going to stay for Germany, if your contract is going to be 2 years, that means your passport needs to be valid for 2 years. Okay. Then the next one is sign the contract. Okay, so sign the AU pair contract with your host family. Make sure the aspects such as working hours, pocket money are clear. Remember, you will need this document for your visa application. So after getting a family or a host family, they will provide you with this information and then you sign the contract. The next one is your insurance. Okay, in order to get your visa approved, you will need a health insurance that cover your whole stay in Germany. Okay, and this is going to be paid by the host family. Okay, so the host family is in charge of providing you with one before the appointment. So do not forget to make the arrangement with the host family to provide you with the insurance. German certificate. As per the requirement, make sure you also get your German certificate to prove you have basic knowledge in Germany, that is A1, or basic skills in German language. You need to have A1. You can take a course. There are programs that you can take, read, pass your exams, and you're good to go. The next one is submit your visa application. So after passing through all these, point number 6 is where you are going to get your visa application. Now, Germany has an official EU pair visa, which makes everything easier. Okay, you can download the application at the German embassy website in your home country. All right, so then plan your trip. The last stage is to what plan your trip from your home country or where you find yourself to your host family in Germany. Start being Germany and plan your trip. Book your flights and pack your luggage for this experience to stay in Germany, either for 1 year or for 24 months. And after that, you can take any course in Germany. You can further your education, and through that, you can get your residency in Germany. If you need me to help you with this opportunity, helping you with CV, cover letters for this, help you creating your profile, you can link up through the tag product in this video or just email me through cb_saik@yahoo.com or just pick the number on the screen and call and we will take it from there. See you. Bye.